So, hello learners, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, in this video, we are going to talk the one single thing you have to do to improve your English speaking and your communication skill. Yes, this is a very powerful thing which I'm going to recommend you all, and I learn it from my experience because I am doing it. So, just I got some experiences about this particular thing, so I am going to share with you all. This is only one thing which you have to do for 30-day or 60-day or 90-day. You can break it into the days, what days you prefer. You can start from 30, then 60, then 90. You are going to see the tremendous results in you. So if you have the goal and aim to improve your English speaking or your communication skill, so what we have to do, just think about it. What actions I have to take to improve my English speaking or communication skill? Should I start reading book, or should I start listening, or should I talk, or should I purchase any course, or should I join any institutions? What I have to do, or I need any mentor? So this is only one thing which we have to follow. Just start consuming good content. Yes, this is this is one thing which we have to do. First, start consuming good content. If we are going to surround ourselves from the good content in our mind, we are going to get some good topics. So what we have to do, we have to just record ourselves. We have to speak to ourselves in front of the camera, and you have to just find out a particular time, and you have to record yourself 5-minute video. And what you have to do, you have to upload on YouTube, and this video will be private or unlisted. You can upload it, and this will private or unlisted. No one is going to see. You have to do it. So just pick up one topic, particular topic, and one specific time in the morning, afternoon, or evening, which time you prefer. You have to sit down, and every day you have to take one topic, and you have to talk yourself, and you have to speak in front of the camera. So no one is going to judge you, one is going to see you. Just you are in the room, you are alone in the room, and in front of the camera you are talking. So whatever the topic you pick up, first share your experience. How many knowledge you have about that particular topic, you have to just share it. Otherwise you can go Google it, and you can use ChatGPT to ask some insights about that topic. You have to find one topic and one specific time to record yourself, and you have to upload it, and keep your video private and unlisted. If you are going to upload it, it will be automatically unlisted until you are not going to schedule. So we don't have to schedule it, we just have to upload it. And every day I have to do it, every day I have to do it. I have to record 5-minute video, and I have to upload on my YouTube channel, and it will be private. And then I have to analyze my video. Yes, if I am going to listen someone, also I am going to listen myself. How I am sitting, how I am speaking, how is my body language, how is my tongue, and how confident I am during speaking. So all the things you are going to measure, and you are going to write down in your diary. Then you are going to see the videos related to this. If I am using filler words, I have to go on YouTube, and I have to search how to avoid filler words from speaking. So this is the thing, and we have to just watch our video, and I have to analyze myself, how I am speaking, what are the mistakes I am doing, or how I can improve myself. Don't chase perfection. If you are going to chase perfection, you are not going to start anything in your life. So just we have to start. If what do you think if you are watching someone on YouTube and you inspired by that person? So what do you think? This is his first video? It's not first video. This is 500 video. 499 videos you didn't watch. You are watching 500 videos which he created from last 4 or 5 years. And we watched and we inspired that yes, it's amazing. I want to become like that person. But how? You have to start in a wrong direction. You have to just start. Starting wrong is okay, but finishing right is important. So this is a suggestion from my side, and it's going to help you. So we have to record, then we have to upload it. It will unleashed. And the third, we have to analyze. We have to listen our video. We have to see ourselves. And then fourth, we have to be consistent. At least you can start for 15 minutes, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. If you will find it good, you are improving, so you can continue it with the 6 month or 5 month or 3 months. You can continue it, because I'm not talking with you that you are going to create content, you are going to involve yourself in content creation. Just I am talking how you are going to start speaking. What do you think? If someone is talking about confident, what does it mean? How confidence come? Confident come when we started doing something and we are habitual to do that particular thing. If any athlete or any cricketer or any speaker, he is confident because he is doing their work every day. He is doing their work on a daily basis, so he is confident. We are looking that he is a more confident person. If you are and he is feeling bad or good, just he is doing their work. Because if you are going to see any interview, they all say that I what are the things, what is my profession, I am doing it, I am giving every day time to it. But if we are a student, or we are doing job, or we are a businessman, so if we are not doing the things, how I'm going to be perfect, how I'm going to be confident on that particular thing? So perfection comes with repetition of that particular work. If you are watching someone, he is confident, it means he is regularly, on a daily basis, he is doing their work, so he is confident. So we have to just be disciplined in our work. If I challenge you, if you are going to start talking to yourself 5 minutes every day, and then from today, after 30 days, just watch your this video and just compare yourself from the first video. You will see the results, you will see the tremendous changes, how I was on first day and how I am now on within 30 days. Think about it. If you are going to do it for 3 months or 6 months or 8 months or 1 year, no one will compete you. Yes, you are going to create a history. Yes, you are going to take or host meeting for 1000 people, that how to become a confident, or how to become a good speaker, or how to become a good communicator. You are going to host a meeting. But first we have to do from my side. First I have to take action. Because if someone is saying how to improve English speaking or how to improve communication skill, we are not going to learn from reading books only. We are going to learn to do this. And we are living in a digital world. There are lots of opportunities, there are everything we can access. If we are not taking action, it means just we are giving excuses. We have everything, we are operating the cell phone, just there is a camera, we are not using it. And if you are not you don't want to record yourself, you can also record in voice. Every day I went outside and I record in my voiceover. I do a voice and I record everything, whatever the things I learn or anything I got from the content from which I read, or I read blogs or books, or I watch any content. So I got some insights and then I record myself. So there are lots of things which we can do to improve our English speaking and improve our communication skill. So this is a one advice which I would like to give everyone, because I am doing it. If you are going to do it, you are going to see the results and you are going to change your communication skill and your English speaking skill. So this was the simple advice, which one thing you can start doing, and if you are going to do it, you are going to see the results. So just keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thanks for today, and we will meet in next video.